Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this search is not working. So if it's black like this, it's not working. So let's see how you can fix it. The first thing that you can try is to go to Start, right click on it and click on Task Manager. And then here scroll down all the way down until you find Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart. And your screen is gonna go black for a bit. And now try and see if the Windows search is working. If it's still not working, I have another solution. So another solution is, if the search is still not working, you can go here and right click on search, this one. You're gonna find this search in Task Manager again, right click on it and task. And after that try and see the search if it's working. And now another solution, if that does not work, is to go to Start, type in run, and you need this command. This command will be in the description of the video, so you can copy it and just click OK. And here go next. I'm gonna wait a little bit for this. So after this, go and click the best match for you. Files don't appear in search results if this is the problem for you. So click accordingly the one that you need. I'm gonna click this one, click on next. And click on this one, try troubleshooting as administrator. And after that, you just go click cancel it and now see if it works. If that does not work, try all of 4 things. If even that does not work, all 4 of them, the last thing that you can try is to go to Start, right click on it, Settings, then go to Update and Security, and here go on Recovery, and then get started. And this resetting your PC. You can keep your files, you can remove everything. So I'm gonna keep my files. And that's pretty much it. You just follow the steps here, but be careful, some apps will be deleted. As you can see here. You can click on list of apps to be removed. This will be removed. And you just follow the steps, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and ask me any questions if you have. Bye.